say the girls been working very hard for us today, so I think they deserve a little break.
No, you can't give them breaks in the show. Who's going to entertain all these people?
Oh. You know what, Surfer Joe? I got some tricks too.
You.
Yeah, I can juggle. So give me just a second. Let me clean my hands, and we'll move on with the show. Fish guts. All right, guys. Check this out. Okay, hold on a second, guys. Something scared her. Let me calm her down. Kimmy, it's all right. Yeah, that's a good girl. Right here. Kim, it's okay. Just back on your feet. Come on, it's okay.
No, I think she wants to help you, and she needs her hand. Or I mean, flippers, please.
All right. Where's the dirty flipper? You done?
One more.
All right, nice and clean. Now get back on your feet. Yeah, we'll have none of that. Like I said, please get back to your feet. Sorry about that, guys.
I think she wants you to juggle 4 rings.
All right, listen up. I will do that for you, but only when you get back on your feet. Come on now, everyone is waiting. My ladies, stay on your feet, and here we go. And the crowd goes wild! I've been finished. Here we go. Last one. Hold on.
Hey, Rose can catch me.